Hey everyone, want to clarify regarding ThinkCentral about which class should I use? How do I delete the ones I don't need? There have been some questions, and basically, when technology, Stephen and BPS Tech uploaded rosters from PowerSchool into Clever, ThinkCentral, there was some extra rostering that happened, and apparently there's no way for them to delete those. I've tried to find a workaround for you, but they don't know of one. So here's the best way. Okay, first of all, to clarify, which classes do I even keep, right? So the important thing is classes are automatically rostered, so you do not need to pull kids into your class. And these are the classes that are automatically rostered. And I know that this is set up kind of odd, but that's what it is. So just know that anytime it starts with your last name and then it has the course name and section number, those are classes that are automatically rostered, okay? Remote teachers, yours will say last name, remote, course name, section number, okay? Now, you're gonna see some classes in your list that might look like this, okay? And they do not start with this naming convention with last name, course name, section name. So those you're going to want to just delete and get out of your way. And actually, you don't need all these, right? You're going to use one class in which you assign assignments. So the bad news is this is maybe going to take you about 5 minutes to do. I'm going to give you the quickest way to clean that class list up. Okay, so let's take a look. So I clicked on Manage Classes, all right, from that main home screen. And here are some classes. They do not start with the last name of this teacher. So I'm going to click on this name, scroll to the bottom, and we're going to make it inactive. That's kind of like deleting it. Okay, then I'm going to go back to classes, click on, go back to classes. I see the list. There's another one I want to get rid of. Scroll to the bottom, inactive, click OK, classes, click, scroll to the bottom, inactive, click OK, classes. Okay, so you're just going to do that. All right, now do one more. Inactive. All right, so like I said, that's probably going to take you a sequence, probably about 5 minutes to just clean that up. All right, now what's going to happen is you're probably going to get to a point where now you have all classes that are rostered. They start with your last name, course name, section number. All right, so I'm just going to go to Manage Classes. So here we can see these are all rostered. And if I clicked on this class, and I don't want to show the names here, and I went to Assign Students, I'm going to see Mrs. Barrera's students assigned automatically. Okay, so this is one of those classes that is automatically rostered. So I'm going to go back to classes. Sorry, because of my recording, I have some weird stuff. Okay, I'm going to go back to classes, and I'm going to go ahead now. Keep in mind that Mrs. Barrera has 3rd and 4th grade. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete all of the classes except for math, okay, for her 3rd and 4th, so that these are cleaned up. All right, so I'm going to click. I'm going to inactive. All right, and I'm going to go through and do that so that eventually here I just have these 2 active classes. All right, so if I click on this class, I want to point something out. Reminder, super important if you're assigning PMTs that you have these 2 things checkmarked. Add adaptive learning products and PMT. Otherwise, it's not going to let you assign and kids to access those. All right. Also, you can clean up what your kids have access to when they log in their product list. Okay, so you can clean that up. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And that is how you clean up your class list. All right.